So this piece is a stocking stitch, and so on that side we knit and we get those lovely little heart shapes, but on the back side we get the cute kind of bubbly wavy horizontal patterns. So when we're doing stocking stitch, this side, when we see this side, it means that we have to do purl stitches. So to do a purl stitch, we're going to keep the yarn at the front. We're going to put our tip into the stitch and face away from the other tip. So they're facing in opposite directions. We're going to go, I'm holding the two needles with my hand like that, that's important. And we're going to go between the needles with our yarn and then around that tip that's on the left. And then I bring it down, I'm holding onto my yarn in my right hand, and then I'm just slowly drawing that needle down so that I catch the little bar that's at the bottom of that stitch. So I then am pushing that needle off so that the stitch drops off again. So I'm going to try that again. So we're going to put that tips in opposite directions, and then we're going to take the yarn and go between the needles around. I'm holding these two stitches with my left hand, my fingers like that, the two needles, sorry, with my left hand. I'm going to hold the yarn against the right hand needle, and then I'm going to slowly draw my needle down, and I'm going to pick up that bar, and then I'm going to take the end of that stitch, or take the stitch off that needle. So then again, I'm going to put my needle in through the stitch, around the back, and then drawing down and picking up that stitch there. So when we're doing stocking stitch, we are continually creating purl stitches, and they make that little bobble on this side, and we go right to the other end of that fabric or of the swatch.